Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I am Md Talha. I'm an alim. Today's the topic of my speech about the time management. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen. وَمَنْ تَبِعَهُمْ وَدَعَى بِدَعْوَتِهِمْ إِلَى يَوْمِ الدِّينِ أَمَّا بَعْدُ. Today is the topic of my speech about the time management. I hope from all audience and all my friends and all my brothers that listen to me carefully. Today's I will try inshallah rahman with grace of Allah to deliver the speech, rather some words you all find. First of all, I want to start my speech and I want to start my talk about what is the time management. My brothers and my all audience, time management is the process of managing time effectively and efficiently so that an individual can allow the right time for performing the right activity. In simpler terms, it is the ability to use the time productivity, because the Prophet of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Igtanim qabla khamsan qabla khamsin, shababika qabla haramik, wa sihhatika qabla saqmik, wa ghanaika qabla faqrik, wa faraghika qabla shughlik, wa hayatika qabla mautik." This hadith highlight the important guidelines that make the most of few things before few others. Your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before your work, your life before your death. This hadith emphasizes the importance of utilizing one's time effectively and avoiding procrastination. We will study the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We find that he spent most of his time with engage and worship and prayer and remembrance and supplication and so etc. Then I want to talk now about benefit of the time management. My brothers and my all audience, what is the benefit of the time management? What is the benefit of the time management? Some of the major benefit of the time management, I will try inshallah rahman with grace of Allah to deliver the some point just now. Number one, time management helps to reduce stress. Number two, time management helps to bring work-life balance. Number three, time management gives you more free time. Number four, time management improves the focus of the individual. Lastly, I bless to Allah Rabbul Izzah. Then we simplify for you all, for we all, and Wallahul Muwaffaq. And then make the benefit of the time, make the manage of the time, and Wallahul Muwaffaq. And lastly I complete my speech. Wa ma alayna illa al balagh. Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.